Hey traders, this is the trade of the week idea. So there's a disclaimer, not going to read it, but there it is. So you'll be aware that this is not a trade signal. We have discussed this at length in the live room. And this video is just a short recap for an idea of a big opportunity that may transpire in the near future. Remember that all trade ideas are for educational purposes only. So let me run over here to the charts real quick. And our trade is on the Euro Aussie. And as you can see here, we're trying to push to the downside here. We're just now starting to get what we call a rollover on the MACD as it's rolling over. Instead of breaking through the top, it's rolling over to go back down. As you see, the structure is pretty well to the downside with that little channel down there. All right. And this is the ATR target for right now. It's down there at 61.18. Obviously, we would hold for the 6100. And Euro Aussie has an ATR right now of 149 pips. Okay. Now, here's what's going to happen, however. After 5 o'clock, we're going to get a new ATR, roughly 149 pips. So you see this part that's been done already today would go down in here. And so that would bring you down in this area right in here, probably around 6030. So that's a really, really big opportunity there to make some pips right there. So will it happen? Well, I don't know if it's going to happen. I never know, but you know, at least your head's up on it. Okay. Take a look at the charts and what does it say? We're trying to go down. We're trying to go down. We were trying to go down. It's a 10-minute. We're trying to go down. We're trying to go down. We're trying to go down. We're trying to go down, and we're trying to go down. So you can see the chart says they're trying to go down. So that's why this is the trade of the week. Hopefully, if it happens, you get to get a piece of it or all of it. All right. Thank you very much. Talk to you soon.